Hey guys, it's me Minori. Welcome back to my channel. Hi! So guys, I'm in Thailand. I love Thailand so much. Today I'm going to go shopping. I want to go shop at the cutest stores in Thailand. So first, let's start off with PopMart. Look at this! So this store has a lot of mystery boxes. They've got a lot of characters, minions, Care Bears, and some anime characters like Naruto, Jujutsu Kaisen. They have Lala. Anyone who grew up with Teletubbies? Oh, I've seen this one. The Monster Mega Labubu. I really like this one, but I know it's like super expensive. Oh, they've got like a lot of little ones. Oh, I think it's just display. Never mind. I love how retro it is. Labubus. Oh, is this a little bag? It's a Labubu purse. Oh, I really like this one too. They've got like cup noodles, bento boxes, and a shrimp ebihurai. Everything here is just too cute. Oh my gosh, I gotta get this one. Look at how adorable these are. Honestly, I really want Daisy Duck. I think she looks so adorable. And we've got 5 boxes. It's 950 baht for one. This is a hard decision. I think this is Daisy Duck. Let's get this one. Oh, I was looking for this one, but this one's sold out. A lot of things are actually sold out. I'm sad. Maybe I could try one of this. Okay, and I'm back here. Maybe I could get like another one just because it's so cute. But it's 950 baht. これちょっと950 baht. And we're back at the hotel. But before I show you guys what I got, can I tell you guys about something? When you're traveling abroad, it's so important to be able to use the apps and the internet. So that is why I want to tell you guys about Airalo. This is an app that you can easily connect to the internet when you're traveling abroad. Did you guys know that you can get internet from apps now? It's so weird. I used to hate like getting those extra SIM cards or portable Wi-Fis. Things were just so complicated. Now all you need is an app. And you can just download it before your trip. And it's really easy to use. So obviously first download the app, create an account, and at the store, find the country that you want to travel to. Like let's say Thailand. You can choose your preferred data plan. There's so many. And install and activate your eSIM. It may just be only me, but I always worry about the extra charges. I accidentally used like $1,500 of data once. But with Airalo, you can easily track your usage and top up if needed. So no surprises, no hidden fees. You can download the app from the link in the description box or use the QR code shown right here. And with the discount code of Minori, you can get $3 off your first purchase. So thank you so much for Airalo for sponsoring this video. Time to see what I got. PopMart! I'm so excited. So I got 2 of these Disney ones and 1 of this. Molly. Okay, let's start off with this one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different girls inside. Ooh, there's also a secret. I want to know the secret. So for the first box, we got, that is so cute. This girl is Sweet Baby. How adorable. It's basically like a card case. You could put your like cards or IDs inside. I love the texture and everything. Okay, I see why PopMart is so popular right now. It's just so cute and high quality. And next, Demo World? It's basically a Disney collab. And inside there's Minnie Mouse, Goofy, Donald Duck, Chip and Dale, Daisy Duck, Pluto, and Secret. I wonder what the secret is. I actually have no clue. They're all so cute. I'll be happy with anything. But my favorite out of all is probably Daisy. But we'll see. Wow, it's quite big. The moment of truth. And we have Donald Duck. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Aww. Okay, this is worth every penny, but it is not Daisy Duck. It would be so cute with Daisy and Donald though. I have one more, guys. Pray for me, guys. So you know what? I'll probably be fine with anything. Just please, no more Donald Duck. And... oh my gosh! What a surprise! What are the chances? Guys, I got Donald Duck and Daisy Duck. Maybe I could give this to my husband so we could get 1 of each. This is too precious. I'm like this close to going back there and getting everything. Like the face and everything. It's just really well made. I love the originality. 10 out of 10. No, like 12 out of 10. Yay! Miniso! Apparently this is one of the biggest Minisos in the world. It's so huge! So let's check it out. Oh my gosh, this is so cute! It looks like they're focusing on Chiikawa right now. Chiikawa is so popular in Japan. I'm so happy to see it in Thailand. Okay, let's do a quick tour. One Piece! Choppa! So cute! I didn't know that they collabed with One Piece. And over here is the Harry Potter section. Oh my gosh. I need to be careful not to buy too much.
これなんだ。
あ、香水だ。Perfume。
あー、なんかよく嗅ぐ匂いよ。
あー、あ、いいね。
海外でよく嗅ぐ匂い。海外のさ、空港とかエレベーターとかでよくする匂いだって感じ。
これも可愛いよ。
部屋用の。
うん。
なんか全部海外チックだね。
They look like real potions. It's so cute.
これは
これも Perfume だね。これも香水です。
ハリー・ポッターが匂いに走り出したのかな。
あ、これかわいい。Hair accessory。え、これよくない？これ一つもらおう。これ一つ。What is this? Is this like a towel? I think it's 159 baht. I love Miniso because they're so cheap. あ、お弁当箱。よくない？これもいいね。あ、いいね。マトリョーシカ的にいっぱい入ってる。これ一個いただきましょうか。
多分ラビのご飯入れになるんだろうな。これブランケット？そうだね。
It's a blanket. これもいいね。This is genius. I love how you can hold it like this. Oh my god. But it's Slytherin.
これかな？
あなたスリザリン？
ぽいでしょ。どう見てもグリフィンドールじゃないよ。
私はね、グリフィンドールなんだよね。What is this? It's a mouse pad. Interesting. I haven't seen one of these for such a long time. It's a dog toy. I think I have to get this one for my dog. Oh my gosh! A Quidditch dog toy. めっちゃ可愛い。遊ぶかな？
まあラビに食いちぎられそうだけど。
I think you could like hide food in here, put this on top, and they would go crazy. Okay, I'm going to buy this for my dogs. まだ入って間もないのにいっぱい。やばい。
爪磨き？
爪磨き。
ああ、いいね。
あってもいいよね。
やり始めると楽しいよ、爪磨きは。
これも良くない？
それは何？
グリフィンドールノート。やばい。
まだ先長いよ。
全部買っちゃう？
クレヨンしんちゃんコーナーがある。
え、ほんとだ。しんちゃん。I love しんちゃん。
何これ？ベイブレードみたいな。
ほんとだ。スピニングトイ。ベイブレードみたいなね。What is this? 粘土かな？こんなにいっぱいしんちゃんがある。They literally have everything that I love here.
これ飛行機でかけるの結構勇気いるよな。
かわいいじゃん。They've also got some electronics. Ooh, they have fans? I need one. Which one should I get?
大きさが全然違うのね。
ねえ、試してみたいところだけど。
このタッチはなんだ？
アニメ調だね。かわいい。これ1個。It's a detangling brush and it's Stitch. Okay, one of this. Here we've got some caps. 置きます。
俺フィリックス結構好きなんだよね。
へえ、初めて聞いた。あ、靴下買っててもいいかも。ちっちゃくね。私用かな？これは履ける。
ちびっこ用だな、全部。
じゃあこれ。One of this. Squid Game.
イカゲーム。
To be honest, I haven't seen Squid Game 2 and 3. It's cute though. It's so cute. でかい。すごい。Ooh. Mystery toys. かわいい。めっちゃかわいい。どれだろ
う？これの中のキティちゃんなんだね、多分。
How much is this? 3000円以上する。高い。でもこれ1個、キティちゃんでありますように。
何の可能性があるの？キティちゃん、
マイメロ、
クロミ、ポチョコ、シナモン、プリン。
この中では断然キティちゃん。
でもこれちょっと軽そうじゃない？
戦略的に考えます。
シナモンは明らかに軽い気がするんだよね。
わかる？
キティちゃんが気持ち一番重い気がする。あ、こいつも重いね。これもちょっとずっしり感がある。これちょっと重い気がする。これ軽くない？
これ軽い。これが一番重い気がする。わかんない。いや、これが重い気がする。じゃこれ。I'm gonna go with this one. The Disney section. My favorite section. A lot of lots of stuff. Pouches. どう？
でかい。
かわいいのに。All of these are like really good quality. Miniso has a lot of toys for pets. This one's for cats. I need one for dog. こっち
すげえチャック。
面白いよね。
こんなでかいチャック初めて見たかも。
かわいい。
エヴァンゲリオン小機みたいな色。
Oh my gosh, my basket is getting really full. But guys, we can't forget I'm in Thailand right now and I need to fly back home. So I can't buy too many stuff. I'll do something about it. やっぱスティッチが多いね。
多いね。
写真入れかな。かわいい。あ、鏡になってる。Isn't this like really popular right now? It's great as like a beach basket. これでビーチ行きたいよね。取っ手がくるんってなってる。大きい。
シューズケース。
確かに靴入れられる。
タイプライターがあるよ。
キーボードね。
タイプライターじゃないの。
タイプライターではないね。
これはヘアバンドかアイマスクかどっちだ。
アイマスクっぽいね。まあ、ヘアバンドとしても使えると思う。なんだろう。I have no clue what this is. It doesn't say. アロマかな。
あ、芳香剤か。
普
通に。あ、そういう形になったのね。次は。
買いすぎ？い
いんじゃない？
キツネも買おう？どっちがいいと思う？
多分こっちの方が好きかもね。
こっち？じゃあこっちにしよう。Powerpuff Girls. How do they know all the stuff that I like? And Barbie トラベルグッズ。
多いね、種類。
でけえ。
お土産屋さんによくあるやつね。
面白い形だね。
ドリンクボトル。これ飲み口が2つあるってことなんかな。ストローでもいけるし、口つけてもいけるしみたいな。
こうやっても飲めるし、こうやっても飲める。That's interesting.
運転してる時とかはストローの方がいいし。
面白いね。これもこっちからも飲めるし、こうやっても飲める。
飲ませ方を選ばせる時代なのね。いろんなボトルが出てるからね。
大きい。Okay, next, let's go upstairs. We've got Care Bears, Minions, some stationery. I'm not too sure about these characters, but they're so cute. My Little Pony. What's this? It's a marker. Giant markers.
どうやって持ち歩くの
Okay, I'm going to take a quick tour again and go back to the hotel. Miniso! I know I got a little bit too much. So first we got these like traveling pouches. This is because we needed these right now. So very useful. Actually, like everything that I got from Miniso is so useful. Next, a Quidditch set for my dogs. I didn't know that it has squeakies inside. It would be so fun to put like treats inside and hide it with the ball, and the dogs could go hunt for them. I had to get more stuff for my dogs. The Hogwarts Express and Zootopia, Officer Judy and Nick. Hopefully my doggies will love these. And next, this happy birthday container. I love how you could just put it inside. I'm impressed because Miniso is so cheap. Oh, I also got some socks because I need them right now. Let me wear them. Oh, they're perfect. Oh, more Harry Potter stuff, like this hair clip. It says Hogwarts. Okay, I'm gonna use them right now. I love everything that's so useful and cute at the same time. More Harry Potter, a nail filer. I forgot to bring nail clips. I love how it comes with a case as well. Love it. And now some Stitch items. This, I actually didn't buy it. My husband did. And I got this for myself. A detangler brush. Look at this. It's so glittery. Japan and Thailand is so hot right now, so these are just so useful. So you can use it like this as well. Oh, is this like a phone stand as well? Is it? You can! Although it's probably kind of hard to use it with the fan. Oh, it also comes pre-charged. The Sanrio mystery box. Hello Kitty, Hello Kitty, Hello Kitty. But we've also got cinnamon roll, Pachaco, Pom Pom Purin, Kuromi, and my Melody. I mean, all great choices, so I will be happy with anything, but my first choice is Hello Kitty. Oh, I'm so nervous. よしくん。まだ開けてない。まだ今開けてるの。いくよ。せーの。クロミちゃんだ。クロミちゃんも嬉しい。So guys, I got Kuromi. I love it. I love it so much. But I still want to go back and get Hello Kitty. Which brings me to the next store. Let's go to Sanrio. Sanrio. I mean, you guys know me. I love Sanrio. I'm just really curious how it's like in other countries. I'm so excited. Let's see what they have. This is like old school Hello Kitty. They've also got Tokidoki. Okay, this is really interesting. I mean, some items I do recognize, but most of the items you don't find them in Japan. I'm so happy to see Maroon Cream. She deserves more love. 30 to 50% off. That's big. Kuromi-chan. This you'll never see in Japan. Look at how sparkly it is. I think Sanrio in Japan likes to use like pastelish colors, a little bit more toned down, but I love it. You know, hunting for Sanrio stores in other countries is gonna be really fun. Like this, you would never see this in Japan. It's a plastic mug with a straw, very iconic shape. I love how you could put like fruits inside. Oh, it's a chair. I've never seen these in Japan before. It's so cute. これにしようかな。Okay, are you guys ready? I just bought so much from the other stores. I had to limit myself to this. So I got a Hello Kitty pen. It's a really small pen, but it's got 4 different colors. And I also got this Kuromi mystery box. So inside we have these like figurines. Mystical Garden series. And oh, it's like a playable toy. It moves! I did not know that. And this is all the stuff that I got today. I'm actually really satisfied and so happy with everything that I got. I mean, especially the mystery toys. They're my favorite out of all. So thank you guys so much, and thank you so much to Airalo for sponsoring this video. It's honestly an amazing app. I highly recommend if you're traveling abroad. Please give it a try. Once again, please check the link in the description box below or this QR code. And don't forget to use the discount code Minori for $3 off your first purchase. I'll see you guys next video. Bye!